Barbara, do you see this as shrugging off bad news or declining a little bit week to date despite some decent earnings?
I think we're at the point where we're shrugging off bad news, because I think Mike's right. We were deeply oversold in December. We've bounced back, but I think we're going to be range bound as we see what happens with earnings. We've had about 20% of companies report, and 70% of them have beaten earnings, which is very encouraging, but we still have a whole range of companies to see, and I think investors are going to be following forward outlooks very closely.
We're getting fine earnings reports against a backdrop of a government shutdown, of trade tensions that haven't really resolved, and questions over whether there are meetings on with China or not on with China, oil, the like. Is it going into next week? Are we going to see some of those negative backdrops receding somewhat with the resolution, at least temporarily, that the government reopens?
I think the government shutdown, this temporary hiatus, does help. But I think what we saw this month in terms of the big drop in consumer confidence, despite full employment, despite wage growth, is worrisome. Because I think it's the accumulation of all the headline news, which by themselves, none of these would really make a difference. When has a government shutdown really ever affected the markets? But it's just one more thing.
It's so long.
Yeah, but the fact is that somehow we weathered this week. I think we'll be okay. I think we're just finding a bottom in here. And now earnings are being reset, and it looks like 5.5% for the year. And that's decent growth.